Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how to change clothes in photo using Canva. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, what you're going to do is to log in, or if you don't have a Canva yet, then sign up. And then this time, we're going to look for or create a design under a logo size. So click create a design here, and then you can see different sizes here, but you have to look for logo. Okay, so we're going to tap this one, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. It will take you to another page, and then here what you're going to do is to look for elements, tap elements, and then this time you have to look for a model so that we can change the clothes here. For example, let's look for a happy man. So you have options here: graphics, photos, videos, shapes. But this time, of course, we should look on photos. Okay. So in photos, you can see here different types of people with a happy face. Okay, so let me go again. And then a piece of advice, if you look for a model, you have to make sure that the hands and of course the face or the head of the model is outside. I mean, it's not covered with the shirt or the cloth that you wanted to change. So I'm gonna show you. Let's just say go to elements and then type happy man and then go to photos and then scroll down till you see that model. So as you can see here, it's kind of hard if the person has this hand or his face nearby the clothes, something like that. So as much as possible, it should be like this. Okay, so the hands are outside so that it would be easier for you to edit. So let me duplicate this and then put the other image below. And what I'm going to do is we're going to use, or we are going to start to edit here in the second page. Okay, tap this one, go to edit image, and then if you're using Canva Pro, you will see this video remover. Tap this one, and it will remove the background of the image. After that, click this magic eraser here. Then we're going to erase the head, the hand of this person. Okay, so all you have to do is to click this magic eraser, then you can zoom in, zoom out. Okay, you can also change the brush size here if you want. You can either select brush or click, but this time let's use brush size, and then let's remove and try to erase this first hand right here. In order for you to really delete it carefully, then you can zoom in to see it clearer. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. I'm going to remove the head, I mean the neck of the person, of the model here, and then tap this one. Okay, so you must be very careful with this. Okay, so this is the result, and then after that, click erase and wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Okay, so once done, then this is the result, or this should be the result. So we only have this code right here. Now, what we're going to do is to tap share and then download. Now, a piece of advice, do not forget to tap transparent background here. So as you can see, if you don't tap this transparent background, and then the result is, you know, you can add, or there is this white background here, and we cannot change that. It will cover the whole image. So if you're going to download this image right here, so by the way, I'm going to show you, this is what it looks like. Okay, if you don't tap the transparent background, so you will cover the whole. So again, go back and then tap share, and then you have to click transparent background. So this should be the result. Okay, and then all you have to do is to move this shirt into this first page or image, and this should be the outcome. Now feel free to resize or fit this to the person's body. So as you can see, it doesn't look like I covered another t-shirt or clothes to this person. Okay, so again, tap edit image and then go to duotone, that is under effects. Here you can see different colors of shirts, and all you have to do is to top best color for you. And this is the result. And that's how you easily change the color, or that's how you easily change the outlook, the appearance of the shirt. All you have to do is to go to duotone once you have done downloading the picture and change the photo or the clothes with the color that you want. Okay, so as you can see, I have this yellow. Also add effect, then format or the setting under glow effect. You can either show this intensity here, or you can less the size, or everything is up to you. All you have to do is to go to shadows and then go to glow and then change everything. So feel free to select the color that you want. And as what you have noticed, it's easier if there is no hands inside, or there's no hands that is covered with shirt or something like that. So the hands should be outside, if possible, also the legs, so that it would be easier for you to remove this when you go to edit remover or go to magic eraser. So as you can see, it's easier because if you added a model with the hands like nearby the head or clothes, something like that, it would be hard for you to delete that. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, all you have to do to change something here is go to blue, and then you can decrease the blur amount and then the intensity so that you can highlight the dark or the glow color here, so that it really looks like this person is wearing this. Okay, so yeah, this is how you easily change clothes. You can add other model again, another model, but again, you have to make sure that the hands are outside. They are far from the clothes that you wanted to change. So once done, you can now click this download right here. And then you have to make sure that you click the page one. And then that's it. You can go to other editing tools like Photopea, or you can go to Smart Markup if you want to sell this shirt and add some designs. Okay, but with Canva, everything is free, and all you have to do is to simply sign up and then create an account. And yes, just add a modal here. Just type some keywords: happy face, angry man, or happy woman, and then choose the same thing as this. Okay, and then after that, go to BG Remover, edit or eraser, magic eraser, and then you just have to add like this, go to duotone, and then change the color of your clothes. As easy as that. Now, always remember for final output, you don't need to click transparent background. All you have to do is to click download and you will see the result like this. Okay, so I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.